let's start with this one. This one says, you guys, worship while you wait. Like I said, the Lord is very important to me. And I really need one of them like pop stick thingies, but it's okay. I'm gonna use this broken pencil I just broke. Yeah, I'm still out good. You know what I should have did, y'all, before I started? I should have went ahead and laid my pictures out first. I wonder if I got a card or something I can like smooth this all over with. You know, like how they would do like wallpaper? That'll work. Yeah, let me go ahead and start laying these out. Oh, this is what I was talking about earlier, y'all. Sorry. Okay, so it says, as you can see, vent to God, stop telling people, what is that? Oh, I can't see, hold on. People about your circumstances more than the one that can actually get you out of it, okay? Yes, Lord. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do this one next. I'm gonna put this one right here, actually. Yeah. And then after that, we're gonna do it's okay to outgrow people, places, and things, because I most definitely do. And that's completely okay. I think I've talked about that before in one of my past videos. Funny me. And this one says, if you're looking for a sign, here it is. Well, this is it. So if y'all looking for a sign for something, then maybe this is it, okay? This is it. Do you, boo? But the Lord allows it, okay?
I'm put this one right here. Eventually I want to write my book, so I have this one, which I'll explain everything later, but yeah, I just like to everything together. I don't know, I might put on my quotes and stuff. Oh, and it's what I like, it's what I really like, y'all. It says, be a bad bitch and a good person. Some of y'all can only do one. Well, some of y'all think y'all can only do one, but that's what the quote says. As a baby, do both, okay? Yeah. I don't know, y'all. This might be too big for the kid. You know what? I might actually put that right there. I'll put it outside. Put the camera right here. Let's see. Stay low key. Love yourself. Work on yourself. Focus on yourself. Very much can and grow will be better. Self-love doesn't just mean drinking water, moisturizing, looking good. Self-love means feeling good and doing good. Sometimes it means cleaning out the next day. Gone. Perfect. My place. A place. Right here. Make sure I put the passports. Okay? I can do this later. Here's what my problem is. I'll be finding so many quotes and I just be keeping them in my phone. Okay, now I just have 3 more. My board is covered, but what am I gonna do, you guys? I'm gonna figure it out. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so what quotes go together? Okay, let's take this one out. I really don't want to like that one. It's all good. It's all good. Put that one right there instead.
Excuse me, oh my bad. Yeah, I'm about to play some music because I'm gonna just do a whole voiceover. I think I'm gonna just take this one off. Nah, I'm gonna keep it on. Oh, because this is a sign, literally. It's so funny. Alright, you guys. It's currently 9:40. I have taken a break. I went to eat food and just relax for a second. But I've been watching TV and whatnot, listening to music. But I'm finally done. This is my vision board, you guys. Basically, yeah, I got stuff about the Lord. You know that quote I told y'all about earlier. This one says, worship while you wait. Most definitely. This is a sign. If you're looking for a sign, this is it. Literally. This is a sign. Yeah, I'm a little cheesy. I don't care. Me to me, anything you want, princess, because I am incredibly, like, I really like to be independent. Like, anybody who knows me for real knows that, honestly. But, yeah. I have a ton of stuff up here. I have, you know, passports, because, you know, I want to travel, me, myself, and I, and with my significant other. I have a Shopify little like sales report up here, you know, with some big numbers. You know, I want that for myself, for my business. I have an office, a picture of an office up here because I want my own office, like for my YouTube channel and for my business. And then I have like a closet, a picture of a closet with baby clothes in it, because I used to tell everybody like I didn't want no kids, but for real, like I would be a great mother. I want some kids, just not too many, okay? Can't do it. But basically, I have a picture of a dog. I told you guys earlier I have a dog now. It's a pit bull, actually. It's really funny. A picture of Nipsey and Lauren London. IP Nip. A picture of Indie Love, because, you know, modeling, well, you guys don't know, but I used to be a model and I want to get back to modeling eventually. I have a picture of Indie Love and her friends. It says 99s to 2000s party. I really want a 90s party to the 2000s party. That would be extremely amazing if somebody could, like, in the future surprise me, because girl, yes. Or even if I have to plan it myself, I don't care. Picture of a really nice house. I want me a really nice house, big house. Picture of a bride. I want to get married one day, most definitely. That's what I have been seeing, you know, them up here. Picture of A Boogie and Ella and her family. I can see everything all the way. Yeah, because I want me a little family. You see the passports I was telling y'all about. You know, I have quotes and stuff. I have a picture of a camera down here because I need a camera to film so I don't have to use my phone all the time. And this one down here is a picture of a fish tank in somebody's house. I really want like my front door and then like a huge fish tank with the light, you know, the sunlight, or either the, I don't care, just light coming through it, just make it look real good. Picture down here, you know, business stuff, more business stuff, and she pregnant doing it, she better go ahead. Laptop, MacBook, I want one. Business stuff again. Traveling, I want to travel. Just told y'all, be a model, dog, all of that. What else did I miss? Did I miss anything? You know, I want to be able to fly, do what I need to do on my own jet, whatever. Yeah, I don't really think I'm missing much, honestly. Oh, this right here is a picture of Princess Nokia before she got like real popular. And she was basically like, you know, traveling, speaking to the generations. And if you know me, like for real, and I've really like opened up to you for real, then you would know that's something that I really want to do. I want to travel and speak to the generations. That's really important to me. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. If you really want like an up close and personal on this board, then I suggest you just go ahead and screenshot it. Because that's the end of the video. It's been a long day. I'm about to go eat some ice cream and relax, okay? But until next time, you guys, I will most definitely be coming out with more videos in the future. I'm working on the scheduling. I'm working on it. But that's it for now. See y'all later. Oh, I'm sorry. Don't forget, if you ain't did it yet, go ahead and subscribe. What are you waiting for? What you doing? Go ahead. You know, it's Honey, as per usual. Honey Lexi on everything. Honey with 2 Y's, Lexi with 1 I, all put together.